I know you're probably like, girl, how did we get here? Listen, Houston snowed. That's how we got here. We've lived here for 6 years and never seen an inch of snow here, okay? It'll snow in other cities like Dallas and San Antonio. We even had a freeze, but never any snow. So yes, we made memories. We made a snowman. Ignore that. We fixed it, okay? He came out pristine. My kids will always remember this because this is one of the first ever snow days. But after all of that hard work, Houston did what Houston does.
Diddy! That is not the name.
Diddy!